In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Miro. Miro is a digital whiteboarding platform built for visual collaboration. Think of it as an infinite wall where your team can brainstorm, build diagrams, and manage projects together in real time. Let us start with navigating the infinite canvas. Unlike a slide deck or a document, Miro boards have no edges, so moving around smoothly matters. To pan across the board, right-click and drag. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, hold the spacebar and left-click, then drag to move. For zooming, use your mouse wheel or click the plus and minus icons in the bottom right corner. When you need to select and move objects, press the V key to switch to the selection tool. This helps you grab items cleanly without accidentally drawing something new. Next, let us cover the core creation tools on the vertical toolbar on the left. Sticky notes are the bread and butter. Press N, click on the canvas, type your idea, and drag the note into place. A fast trick is that you can paste a list of text to bulk create multiple sticky notes at once. For shapes, press S. Shapes are great for flowcharts and grouping ideas, and holding Shift while drawing gives you perfect squares or circles. To connect ideas, use connection lines with L. Click an object, then drag the blue dot to another object to lock the connection. If you move either object later, the line will follow. For organizing your board, use frames with F. Frames work like pages inside your infinite canvas, so you can separate sections for a workshop, a roadmap, or a presentation. Miro becomes even better with real-time collaboration. You will see collaborative cursors as teammates move around the board. If that is distracting, toggle the cursor icon in the top toolbar to hide them. When you need everyone focused on the same area, click your avatar in the top right and choose Bring Everyone to Me. If your plan includes it, you can also run a timer or start an anonymous voting session from the toolbar at the bottom. To save time, use templates instead of starting blank. Open the template library from the icon near the top of the left toolbar, then choose options like mind maps, Kanban boards, or user story maps. For integrations, you can copy a range from Google Sheets and paste it into Miro to create a grid of sticky notes. You can also export from the top left export icon as a PDF or a high-resolution image and link shapes to live tasks in tools like Jira or Asana. Finally, a few efficiency tips. Type N then Tab to create sticky notes rapidly. Enable smart diagramming in settings so Miro can predict the shape you want. And if you have a background image or a frame you do not want to nudge by accident, right-click it and choose Lock. That covers everything you need to know.